Hi, my name is Sefari Kalipun. My number metric is 07DLS18F2036. Before starting our presentation about Chapter 3, let me introduce my group member.
My name is Yapen Lin. My CAT metric is 07DLS18F2072.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alika binti Osman and my metric number is 07DLS18F2066.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Elfi Sazli bin Muhammad Arman. My matrix number is 07DLS18F2020.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Anisa Kina binti Aziz and my matrix number 07DLS18F2052.
My name is Edna Sopil. My number matrix is 07DLS182042.
Storage method have three, which is first, plain storage, 2, extend storage, and 3, storage location. First, plain storage is at least short time, basic inventory replacement during variation in different logistic system. For extend storage can special situation, controlling and measure warehouse perform seasonal item.
Storage location. ABC storage technique, receiving and shipping utilize the same docking facility with inventory storage location. Stratified by user. Stock classification divided into 3 categories: Class A, Class B, and Class C. Class A, very tight control and accurate record. Second, item constitute a small portion of the goods, make up 50% of annual demand. Use it or issue in terms of value but constitute only 10% of the inventory. Example, machine. Class B, middle group with less tightly controlled and goods record. Second, constitute 35% of the value of annual demands, usage, or issue. Comprised of 30% of inventory, example, battery, needed when occur problem from machine. Class C constitute 60% of inventory but made up of only 50% of the value of annual demand, use, or issue. Second, less focus from the management in terms of control and planning. Third, minimal recognition to buy is normally automatic.
Block stacking is in which objects are placed on surface, usually a flat flow, and stacked on top of another in blocks. Load strength, load stability, load weight, pallet condition, safety limit, weather as well as warehousing clearance height are the factors to determine the maximum of storage and the level of stacking. Pallet stacking frames are made from decks and posts that can be erected moved if necessary. The stacking frame allows pallet to be stored several high and is particularly useful when the pallet to be stored are not stackable.
Next one is about double dip pallet rack. Double dip pallet rack is a variant on the single dip rack that incorporates two single racks that plus together. Instead of that, It reduces number of aisles required, but this type of racking is thus capable to honeycombing. Last but not least, a double reach forklift required to place and remove pallets from racking. As we all know, single deep pallet rack is one of the most important things that need to be included in warehouses. What do we know about single deep pallet rack is single deep pallet rack provide access to each pallet stored in rack. It gets around honeycombing issues of stacking frames and blocking stacking. Type of racking can be figured in any number of ways in various heights. Most warehouses have this type of racking in use. This advantage requires significant floor space for suitable aisles.
Drive-in racks provide 5 to 10 pallet lot spaces similar to the double deep racking. The drive-in lanes provide access for the forklift to place and remove stock. However, the forklift has a limited space to maneuver, and this increases the time required to place and remove pallets. The drive-in rack is similar to block stacking as the LIFO principle is used for pallet retrieval. Pallet floor rack operates whereby the lot is moved from one end of the rack on a conveyor that allows the pallet to be removed in a FIFO manner. Once a pallet is removed, the next pallet moves into the position of the pallet that was removed. This racking solution is suitable for warehouses that have high throughput but is an expensive option. Pushback rack. The pushback rack is a LIFO solution where the lot is placed into storage using a rail-guided carrier. When a lot is placed into a storage, the lot pushes the other lots back into the storage area. When a lot is removed, the next lot in the lane moves to the position where the other lot is removed. This means that each lane with stock has lot in the optimum position for removal. This racking method may not be suitable for warehouses require FIFO.
There are 9 types of retrieval system of goods. Number 1 is walkie stackers. Number 2, counterbalance lift truck. Number 3, straddle truck. Number 4, turret truck. Number 5, high beam truck. Number 6, side loader truck. Number 7, automated storage and retrieval ASRS systems. Number 8, carousel. Number 9, vertical lift module VLM. All these 9 types of system of goods have different benefit and function.
Order picking management. Order picking, process of receiving goods in a given unit size, retrieving, selecting correct item, correct quantities, and incentive activity. 5 levels of order picking. Number 1, pallet picking, retrievals of full pallets. Number 2, layer picking, retrieval of layers of case. Number 3, case picking, retrieval of inner packs from case. Number 4, split case picking, retrieval of inner packs from case. And the last, broken case picking, retrieval of individual discrete items. Methods of order picking. Number 1, manually manual, basic order picking. Number 2, manually automated, robots, conveyor, and sorter.